that. What I'm going to do very quickly now is scroll down and do some of the ones from 8H, because we need to be able to substitute negative values into these as well. So there's not much difference. Remember, you have a negative button, a bar on your calculator, so you can do this on your calculator. E, F, G, H. Let's have a look at how we do some of these. And again, you have to do 4, 5, 6. So let's have a go. So here in question 4, and I'll do a couple. I'll do A, B, C, A, B, C, and A, B, C, and D from 4. So 4A. Here we have an expression, 5 plus 2A. And what do they tell us to let A equal? They say find the value when A equals 6. So down here, here's what they tell us to do. Let A equal 6 and B equal -2. That was pretty poorly done, Mr. Tonkin. Let's get rid of that. Try that again. A equals 6, B equals -2. So here we go over here. 5 plus, and remember it's 2 times 6. It's 5 plus 12 equals 17. That was terrible again. Let's try B. -7 plus 5A. Well, that's -7 plus 5 times 6. Well, that's -7 plus 30. And I'd do that on my calculator if I was having trouble with directed numbers, but that will come out to 23. And I'm just checking these because I want to make sure that I don't make a mistake, and I know I'm right. Let's do C. B minus 6. Now B, I have to be careful here. When I make this substitution, it's -2. So -2 minus 6. And again, I'd use my calculator, but I can do this in my head. -2, think it's -2 degrees, and I minus another 6, it'll be -8. And I'll do D, which is B plus 10. Well, that's -2 plus 10. It's -2, and I go up 10, so I'll be +8. Don't need to write the positive. I might finish with L. And I've got 3 minus 6 divided by B. So again, substitution, I just put the value in. 3 minus 6 divided by -2. I'll do the division first. 3. Have to be careful here. I'm going to leave that minus there, and 6 divided by -2 is -3. And we remember from our directed numbers, that'll be 3. Negative, we'll make that a plus 3, which gives me 6. All right. What about some of the ones from 6? So if I'm looking at some of the ones from 5. Let's have a go at some of these ones from 5. How about I just do F and H? So 6F. I write the expression 6B minus 7A. 6b minus 7a. And a, they say to let a equal -5 and b equal -3. So it's going to be 6 times -3 minus 7 times -5. Again, you do this on your calculator. Well, 6 times -3 is -18. Minus 7 times -5 is -35. Well, that's -18. Minus minus becomes a plus 35. -18 plus 35, I'm pretty sure will be 17. And I just check to make sure 5F is 17. So I'll just make that right. So I'm doing 5. And I'm going to have a go at 5H. And 5H is -3b minus 2a minus 1. Now remember, I'm letting b equal -3. So -3 times -3 minus 2, and a is -5. I'm substituting a as -5 times -5 minus 1. Now again, I would suggest using your calculator. I'm going to do it without. -3 times -3 is 9. Minus 2 times -5 is -10. Then I've got minus 1. Remember, the negatives, two negatives will make it positive. So 9 plus 10 minus 1. 9 plus 10 is 19 minus 1. I'll get 18. Now, question 6. So they tell me what to do. So I might just do B and D. So 6B. 6b is pretty easy. It's only one value. It's an expression with one value, which is -2 minus 7k. And they say let k equal -1. Well, -2 minus 7, remember that's times, and k is -1. Well, -2 minus 7 times -1 is -7. Well, that's nice, because those two negatives will make it +7, and -2 or -2 plus 7 will give me 5. Again, I would suggest using your calculator. All right, let's do D, -3x plus 2y. So D, -3x plus 2y. Well, let's go back and say what we're doing here. Here is our expression with two terms and two pronumerals. The pronumerals are the x and y. The two terms are -3x and +2y. There is no constant. The coefficient of x is -3 and the coefficient of y is +2. Okay. Let's now substitute into our pronumerals the values for x3 and y -2. So -3 times, put 3 in for x, plus 2 times -2, put in -2 for y. -3 times 3 is -9, plus 2 times -2 is -4. -9 plus -4 will give me -13. Again, you can do that on your calculator. And that's substitution, plus a brief description of what we're doing with these expressions, and what a pronumeral is, and what a constant is, and what a coefficient is, and what a term is. All right.